You guys, I'm a little sick, but that's not going to stop me from diving into my childhood. I mean, if you don't know already what this is, that means you are not using your Zepto enough. And if anything, I am a Zepto fanatic. I'm obsessed with Zepto. In my real life, I sound like a person that has been paid by Zepto, but they haven't. They really haven't. But yeah, this is a box that you can easily get on Zepto. It's the 90s childhood box, and my brother recently got this gifted, and I'm telling you guys, it was his birthday recently. He turned very old, and if you know anything, boys are very difficult to please with gifts because everything that they buy somehow looks the same. Like every time he shows me a t-shirt, I'm like, didn't you have that same thing from a different brand in the different color, but the same thing? And he has his reasons that I always end up nodding like, I know what you're talking, zero idea. Regardless, when he saw this, I am telling you, he was the happiest I have ever seen him receiving a gift. And so yeah, it's not in its most prime looking era, if I may, because I was like, no, I don't want to see, I want to do an unboxing on camera with you guys. So yes, I am a Zepto lover, and knowing that this box is available on Zepto at a really minuscule price. So yeah, this is how the box looks like. I mean, it is such a cute print, and it's so colorful. While it's not your typical pink and blue wala combo, just this is so unisex, you know. I mean, I just love that. Like, no way I would look at a box and be like, oh, this is such a girly thing or a boy thing. It's a child thing. So yeah, love the colors. It says back in time, childhood in a box. I mean, how adorable is that? I'm gonna do it with you guys. Ta-da! Oh my god, this box is like filled to the brim. Like, I didn't see that coming. Definitely didn't see that coming. Wow, okay. So many items. I'm just so confused. Ki kahan se chalu karu? Okay, I'm just going to go with this one right here. We have the first box inside the box, and it says it's 90s candy. Oh my god. Okay, now growing up, to be honest, I was not like a sweet girly, and I was very nitpicky about the sweets I would eat. The first thing that got me really excited is this Magic Pops. If you don't know this, don't worry, you're not missing out a lot in life. मुझे भी actually नहीं पता था ये, because like I said, I grew up with a brother, तो like काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें I kind of adapted from him. I don't think so he was a big fan of this, but मैंने ये ना actually मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ जूनियर कॉलेज में मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे ये ट्राई करवाया था. सो बेसिकली these are called Magic Pops, and it's like this thing, and when you put it in your mouth, it starts popping, and that's the most cool thing ever. So not that I have any bachpan ka memories with this, but I definitely have my college memories with this, and I instantly thought of my friends who made me try this for the first time. Okay, moving forward, we have Fut Fut. Not something necessarily I had as a child, but मैंने recently ये ट्राई करवाया था मुझे किसी एक फ्रेंड ने, and apparently these are Ayurvedic digestive pills, and they make you fart if I'm not wrong. But I didn't know this was a 90s thing, but I definitely knew it was a very old thing. So again, not that many childhood memories, but something, again, I thought of my friends who made me try this for the first time. Then we have, oh my god, Toffee Bite. This, I kid you not, was my favorite chocolate. This was my favorite chocolate. I want to eat this. I want to eat this. Come on. The first memory that I had in my mind when I ate this is, I remember, I think this was sold for like $1 or $2, and running to my house, asking my mom for some change, and telling her I want to get this, and then running back to the shopkeeper and getting multiple of these. So good. Love it. Then we have Jello. This is a green Jello. When it comes to jellies, I had my phase where I was obsessed with jellies. Like, I mean, obsessed. But that was a very short-lived obsession. Uske baad I kind of got over it. And again, something, my brother was never obsessed with this, so we would never end up getting more of these. So yeah, just a very short period of time where I was obsessed with Jello. So yeah, I'm okay not trying these and probably giving it to somebody in my house who would actually enjoy this nostalgia. Then we have this Kiss Me chocolates. Oh my god, yes. Again, not the biggest fan of this growing up as well, but definitely childhood reminder. Then we have Poppings. from Parle. Oh my god, okay. I remember eating this. Oh, I think... Okay, of course, you get like these, I don't want to say pills, but like these kind of thingy. I've had this. Oh my god. Again, like a random childhood memory of, you know, playing in the ground and having this with my friends and picking up which flavors we want, because this has like multiple different flavors. And the last thing we have are, of course, boomers. I mean, why is my camera not doing justice to boomers? Let me... Oh yeah. I remember there was this some competition where you had to collect the alphabets inside the boomers rap. I've had so many boomers just to complete that wording, but that never happened. Kiska actually kabhi hua tha kya? Because I know all of my friends collectively were missing out 1 or 2 letters, and then finally giving up on it. But oh my god, the obsession of bubbling the bubble. Wow, good job there. Okay, moving forward, we have this. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. Oh, it's that marbles thingy. Like, you know, I know in Marathi it's called gotya. I know people now today use it for decorative purposes, but oh my god, I remember playing games with this. Like, you know, you toss it with the different... Oh my god, I can't explain. I'm really terrible at it. Not really, I'm good at explaining. It's just, this is very overwhelming. But this is something I've seen my brother playing a lot, and I played at a very young age. So when they say 90s, I'm pretty sure he grew up playing a lot with these. But I had a very short-lived era of playing with these. Oh my god. And they are like different sizes, and I think वो एक के ऊपर एक कुछ लगाते हैं ऐसे कुछ formation में, and फिर एक गोटी से आपको you have to break the formation, and like I don't remember now how it's exactly being played, but I remember playing like that. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, wait, but how do you play this? Okay, so this is how it looks like. There are numbers inside. It's called the lucky game, and you're supposed to... This is so cool. Oh, okay, got it. Maybe that's how I would at least play growing up. Is as you can see, 1 minute, there are numbers yahan pe niche, and there's a ball, so you have to guess a number and click. So it's your turn. Pick up a number. 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? The winner is 10. So let me know which number did you pick in the comments. That'd be so cool. But this is something I would totally play growing up. This is so cool. I can't stop it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No way. No way. I was obsessed with this, okay? And I was good at it. And it came in like different shapes and sizes. Oh my god, if you don't know this, first of all, this is a blackberry, if you don't know that even. And you've got to like, basically the game is to put these rings in these sticks. Did I get it? Did I get it? Because I really can't see. Ayo Rama. Oh my god. Guys, I can play this all night. Oh my freaking god. This is pura paisa vasool, okay? This is pura ka pura paisa vasool. Then I mean, are you kidding me? Freak! Stop it! This is the Tinkle Digest, and oh my god, love the quality, because I've never bought this. I've only read this in my school library, and the instant memory that I have looking at this is from my school. Like those, you know, आपके जो library lectures होते थे, you get to pick a book and then read it and then register in that book log and then return it the next week or maybe extend it. I was never into comic books, but I would also get very overwhelmed looking at those really big ass books. So I've had my fair share of reading these. I don't remember any of the stories, sadly. Also, the print is so good. Like, I don't remember, at least the ones that were in school, having such good quality, okay? Like, oh my freaking god. This is so cute. Like, I cannot stop smiling because I'm just getting all of these memories from my school wherein, you know, you're fighting, oh, who gets which Tinkerbell and who's reading which edition, and just, oh my god. So many memories. Oh no! Are you kidding me? No. Okay, I'm sorry. That was absolutely not paid reaction. This is a joke. This is a joke. I remember fighting like it's a World War III in my house over this with my brother, who is very, very old, and there was domestic violence in the house. There were things broken in the house or threw at each other in the house over this. Oh shit! Oh shit, no way. Of course it's in blue. Oh my freaking god. Please don't tell me isko bad cheese lagti hai yaar. No, no, no. Okay. You know what? I have the batteries, but I don't think it's the right size. I was not ready for this. I was not ready for this. If you have a sibling, you know for a fact. Parents had to pick their favorite child over this game. Whoever got this game was not the favorite child because the other one wanted to be loved, knowing that they didn't get this, and the other one got it. Freak! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! This is exactly the type of games I would play as a child. Then you're supposed to like... But ये उड़ता है, right? Yeah, it's supposed to like pop. Wait. Yeah, it's supposed to pop is what I remember. Or am I supposed to pop? I mean... Oh my god. I remember being entertained with this and now I don't remember how I was entertained with this. Wow. Selective memory. Selective memory of the childhood. Like that. Okay, मुझे बहुत offended feel हो रहा है. Oh yeah, it was just like that. You have to like rub it and then it goes. Or maybe it goes with this and like something. But honestly, trust me, this kept me entertained for a very, very long time. Very long time. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out and try to remember how to use this and how I used to play as a kid. But oh my god, like I remember being super small and just playing with this and just running around in the house, in my balcony, on my floor, in my building. And now I don't remember how. But I know for a fact this flies and then I would run behind it. That was the whole game. And now, okay. So I think, okay. So you get like 2 of these apparently, and you are supposed to get the same names on both of them. This is so cool, ayo. Oh my god. If you know this, you know this. This is the Phantom cigars. This is what the cool kids had. This is what every cool kid had, and this is what it looks like. So, like, you know, you are so cool, so fun. Like, oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. Saste nashe. 90s ke saste nashe. Oh, I want to finish this, but anyways, lastly, again, if you don't know this, you really don't know life. So this is like a scale situation that was specifically not allowed in my school. Sorry, that I remember not being allowed in the school because this is so cool. This is so cool. It doesn't hurt, I promise you, it doesn't hurt, but I physically cannot stop playing with the box and just remembering all of the crazy childhood memories. I didn't expect itna because I'm telling you, इसमें बहुत सारा सामान आया है, and for like a minuscule price of whatever I mentioned on the screen, this is totally paisa vasool. So this Children's Day or this Christmas or whatever, if you just want to make somebody happy, heal their inner child, just remind them of all of the beautiful 90s days they've lived as a child, oh my god, you definitely need to give this gift. And I am so glad to whoever gifted this to my brother, because through him I also got to live my childhood, and this was so cute. This was very, very cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below, and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.